Alright, here we are with doing UT inspection on Flawtech plate 6314. I'll go through some of my settings real quick. Our gain is at 66.1. Our range is at 7. Right now our gate is at 1.472. Probably going to change that, but width is at 0.511. The level's at 69% right now, but I can change that. No alarm, no gate 2. Let's get back to our velocities at 0.1277. It's a steel plate that we are inspecting here. And our zero is at 7.426. Range at 7, no delay. Pulsar, auto, 160 hertz, 400 volts right now. 50 ohms rather of damp. We're on pulse echo, the square pulsar, and a frequency of 2.25 megahertz. A receiver, average on a basic filter of 2 to 21.5 megahertz. Full rectify. Our trig, reaching a 70-degree angle on our wedge. I think it's set at 6.25. Which is the thickness of our plate that we're inspecting. X value of 0.3, which is our distance between where our sound's coming out and the plastic part of the wedge. And we are auto count already with our IIW block that's off screen right now. So on this plate, it's kind of interesting. We have some porosity on this one, about 3/4 inch from the reference. As you can see on the screen here. Let me move this gate down a little bit. There we are, nice in there. And that's typical porosity. You can see them. This is our back. This is our back wall here. Initial pulse. And you see the telltale characteristics of the porosity. It's multiple peaks that kind of vanish. You see I'm moving, kind of moving here. There one comes, now another one comes back up in the same spot. And I mean, it's really tricked me because see how high that peak is there? That made me think it was a crack. But then you keep moving and then that one goes away and then they all kind of scatter. See that, like 1, 2, 3, within, what's that, about 5% screen height all together. And then you got these other ones about halfway, and they're just really consistent. So we got that porosity. Then we also have a center line crack that starts about 2 inches from our reference. We should be able to find that much easier than our porosity. There we go, you see that? So we get a jump off screen again like that. Come on, where'd you go?
I think you know what though is like when I first started out.
Sorry. We get a little more goop here. I'm definitely a little heavy-handed on the goop, or on the couplet maybe. So there you see that? That's our center line crack. Let's see if we can get.
No, sorry. No, I'm just telling you how
We got our gate on it and see if we can get our. Let's get some measurements on it. So you see it's about almost an inch away from my transducer and almost a ½ inch below the surface. And that was it for this Flawtech plate porosity and center length.